Inventory control is made up of several different factors. But first, the definition. Inventory is commonly thought as the finished goods a company accumulates before selling them to the end user. But inventory can also be described as the raw materials used to produce the finished goods, goods as they go through the production process, referred to as work in progress, or goods that are currently in transit. Imagine going to a cafe. The coffee that they serve to you, that's the finished good. But then again, a cafe's inventory would also include the coffee beans, the milk, the sugar, the cups, the lids for the cups if it's a takeaway coffee, quite a few different elements as you can see. So back to some of the components of inventory control. So we're looking at in-transit inventory. This is inventory that is currently moving within a transportation network to or from the company's facilities, whether they be the plant or factory, the warehouse, or even the sales location. Work in process inventory. This is material that is currently in the process of being converted into finished goods. Seasonal inventory, an extra inventory buffer that is held in response to predictable demands, increases that may occur annually. Material requirement planning, such as MRP or materials management, an inventory control system that manages the replenishment or reordering of raw materials, supplies, and components from the supplier to the manufacturer. Distribution resource planning, an inventory control system that manages the replenishment of goods from the manufacturer to the final consumer, as well as automatic replenishment programs, a real-time inventory system that triggers shipment only when a good is sold to the end user. So for example, we just sold something, so we got to order more raw material or more product so that we have it in stock to sell to the next customer. An order processing system captures order data from customer service employees or from customers directly, stores the data in a central database, and sends order information to the accounting and shipping department if applicable. This basically means it's the process or workflow associated with picking, packing, and delivery of the packed item to a shipping carrier and is the key element in order fulfillment. In order to achieve this, good communication among sales representatives, office personnel, and warehousing, as well as shipping personnel, is essential. Electronic data interchange is an information technology that replaces the paper document that usually accompanies a business transaction, and smart RFID, which stands for radio frequency ID. This is an inventory handling and tracking system that employs radio frequency electromagnetic fields to transfer and read product data via an electric tag. If you're not familiar with RFID, definitely look into it. There's quite a bit of exciting things happening around RFID and improving or enhancing the shopping experience, as in the physical world shopping experience. So basically, watch this space.